Hello everyone and welcome once again to the Deiser Connection. How you doing? I hope you're doing great. Okay, so for this video we are going to talk about something that we have talked about in our latest video. That is the end of server support for the Atlassian tools. So let's go and check out what we have in store for you today. Okay, as you can see right here, Atlassian is being really preoccupied with this end of server event. It's going to be on February 15, 2024, and we're less than 100 days away. In fact, we're 92 days away from the end of server support. Don't fear, do not fear, because you have a lot of information and you can also make a plan in the Atlassian webpage, okay? Here's a button to build a plan. And also, I believe that around your city, there might be events that are going to be talking about this end of server support and how to migrate to the Atlassian cloud. And since Deiser is always worried about their clients and trying to provide them with the correct information about the migration, we decided to create an event. This is The Future Is Now, Migrate to Atlassian Cloud Successfully. This is an event that Deiser decided to create around this area, around the Madrid area. Remember that Deiser is based in Madrid. It was free registration, and we had several reasons to attend, okay? We had a diary with different talks. I wanted to talk about the speakers. We call them ponentes in Spanish. This is a Spanish event, but we'll share a lot of information. It's going to be translated too, and we're going to share videos, we're going to share pictures, with subtitles in order for you to have all the information and what happened. Gregory Gobert is going to talk about how Atlassian has invested in the cloud, and if you find or the users find any technical blocks, how to overcome those. It's going to be really interesting too. We're going to have Javier Ibáñez from Carreras, which is going to tell you about their experience with Atlassian. We're going to have the man, the legend, the only Guillermo Montoya, who's going to give out the keynote. He's going to talk about our history with Atlassian. Then one of Deiser's greatest consultants, Luis Lobo, and our head of consulting, Nuria, which are two rock stars in Deiser, they're going to talk about and they're going to provide a talk about consulting and how the migrations are implemented. So that's expertise for you, that's expertise. And then we're going to have a talk from our head of product, Leo Diaz, who's going to talk about our experience, because we also moved from data center to cloud. It took some time, but we finally moved to the cloud and we're working on the cloud right now and 100%. And that's pretty much it. That's what I wanted to talk to you. So let's go back to the main page. So for the second part of this video, we wanted to talk about an Atlassian tool that we don't talk about much often right here in these videos, but today we're going to stop that and we're going to start talking about Confluence, okay? So we rely upon Confluence a lot and we believe that other teams do so also. So what we wanted to talk about today is automating tasks in Confluence. For example, creating a daily page in order for your team to start writing down the daily for each day. And we need a page to be created in Confluence every day. And so if we need that page created, we needed someone to create that page, write down a title, and share that page with the rest of the team so the rest of the team could start writing down their dailies. Since that was a little bit tedious task for the responsible of creating the page every day, it was a little bit, tedious. So we realized that we had automation for Confluence. So let me show you what we did. Okay, so right now you're seeing three different rules of automation for Confluence, okay? We have the add daily label when a page is published in the daily folder, create a daily page, and delete daily pages created more than 1 month ago, okay? We have labels here, we have the owner, the scope, and the updated it was 8 days ago. Okay, so and they're already enabled, the 3 of them. I don't know if you've seen the one right here, but it is enabled. The first one that comes into action is create daily page. It is really simple. We have a schedule trigger. So every Monday, Wednesday, and Thursday at 6 a.m., the trigger will be launched. That trigger will then publish a new page beneath the daily parent page, and with this format. It's the date and daily. Then it's gonna use a template because we don't want to modify that page every day. So we're gonna use a template. We created a template in this space, in the product space, and the template is called product daily. Okay, so every Monday, Wednesday, and Thursday at 6 a.m., this new page is going to be published. But we need the team to know that this page has been published. Okay, so we're going to send a Microsoft Teams message. This Microsoft Teams message is going to be sent through a webhook URL, with the title daily page for the date is going to be created, and the message is going to be the page itself. It works. It's nice. It's really cool to have a new page every day at 6 a.m. Well, not every day. Monday, Wednesdays, and Thursdays. Those are the days that we decided that we wanted this page to be created. So that's pretty cool, but what happens when you have several daily pages created 3 days a week, for several months? You have a lot of information that you don't want to know about, or you just don't care about them anymore because it's really old information. We can set up a delete daily pages created a month ago. This is going to check if there's pages that have been created 1 month ago, but how is it going to find the daily pages? Where there's going to be a condition. The condition is that the parent title equals to daily, and it's gonna archive those pages that are not useful for us anymore. We believe that this is a really interesting use case for automation with Confluence. So hopefully this helps you in order to save some time during your workday with Confluence. So hope that this use case was useful, and again, remember that we're gonna come up with different kind of use case also for Confluence every now and then. We're not gonna forget about Confluence, and we'll also show you how different marketplace apps work with Confluence. Again, hope that this was useful. See you next week with a lot of surprises, and have fun. See you next time. Bye bye.